Markdown add-on for Google Slides lets you to convert Markdown syntax to a formatted text. To begin, go to Extensions, Markdown, open Markdown sidebar. Select the text if you would like to specifically convert the formatted text. Or if you wish to convert the entire slide, select the slide in the left pane and click Apply Markdown. If you would like to convert multiple slides, press the Command key or the Control key and select the slides in your left pane. Click Apply Markdown. This will apply the markdown to convert to table, lines and many other. If you would like to select specifically certain paragraphs, select the paragraphs and click Apply Markdown. And finally the heading. Or in a single click I select the slide and click Apply Markdown. If you would like to convert the entire presentation, select the entire presentation and click Apply. This converts the entire presentation to a formatted slide from the Markdown text. I hope this add-on is helpful. Thank you.